Hey guys, welcome to SAKO factory. Today I will introduce how to assemble a lithium battery. Here you can see this is our production line for lithium battery. And in the line you can see some Mppt case with the cables and the BMS. And the workers will connect the cables with the connector, the case in connector. And then we will put the complete battery packs into the case. And the worker will connect the wires and fixing the. And after the production, we will have an inspection for the lithium battery. And the workers will check everything inside, both screws and fixing and some connector. So, if you are interested with our lithium battery, please feel free to contact my WhatsApp. Thank you.